Keep your spine straight. Don't try to come like that. And now I'm going to share with you Janu Sirsasana. It's called head to knee pose. So for that, just bend one knee. Keep your foot inside the thigh like that. Okay. So and then take both the hands up. Okay. And just try to look up to the ceiling, look on the wall, and keep coming forward like that. Okay. And drop it like that. So wherever you can reach, you don't need to go down like that. Just keep it like that. Okay. Hold and hold in this position. Okay. Now if you hold 10 to 15 seconds, you have to hold. Okay. And come back and wapas. Come back. Now if you cannot reach here, don't worry, just sit here. Just do it like that. If you can only hold it, that's okay. That is still okay. Okay. And hold it like that. So supposedly, if you can't bend your knee, so keep something under your knee like that. Keep this under your knee like that. Okay. Keep it here and just do it like that. And then go down. Just and relax. And then same thing you will do from other side. Put that inside and take this up and look up. Keep your spine straight. Don't try to come like that. Keep it straight and keep coming down and hold it here. And look straight in the beginning so that your spine stays straight. And then slowly tuck your tummy inside, and drop your head down. Or you can be here wherever you can catch. But hold is the key. So you have to hold it. Hold is the key. Just keep it like that. And breathing 10 to 15 seconds and come back and relax. Okay. So now you keep your feet straight and relax. Then relax for some time. After you do the pose, relax for some time. Okay. Now since we have went forward, we have to little twist of the spine. So again, you can just come and stretch it a little bit. Take your spine.